Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today in this video we're going to be talking about the solutions for the question paper that I passed to you guys last week. First question, triangle ABC is an isosceles and AC is a parallel. Okay, so these two are parallel lines. Parallel lines. Now find the angle of A. Notice that in this parallel line here, you have two of these dashes. These mean that they are isosceles triangles, meaning to say this angle is exactly the same as this angle here. So if you were to use a calculator, 180 minus 40, you would have gotten that 180 minus 40, you would have gotten 140. 140 is equals to 2a. 2a. So 2a is, a is equals to 140 over 2, which is 70 degrees. Okay, so A is 70. Then what about B? Now, if you were to remember, last week we mentioned that this follows the exact rule. If you were to redraw this triangle, you could see that this is 40 degrees and this is B. Okay, so therefore B is equals to 40 degrees. Okay, now next question. A regular polygon has interior angle of 172. Find the number of this polygon. Right, so the formula for total internal angle is equals to n minus 2 times 180. You will have gotten your total internal angle formula. But in order to find the individual angle of each side, individual angle, you will use the same formula, n minus 2 times 180 divide by n. Right now they've told you that the interior angle is 172, therefore 172 equals to n minus 2 times 180 over n. To find n, look, we only have one unknown in this whole equation, so we need to solve for n. To solve for n, bring this n up, 172n times n equals to n minus 2. When you open up this bracket, this times this and this times this. Okay, so it is 180n minus 360. Now group up the similar terms. We will bring this over to this side, 180n minus 172n, bring 360 over to the other side, equals to 360. Okay, now 360 is equals to 8n. To find n, you use 360 divide by n, divide by 8. Therefore your answer would be 360 divided by 8. Alright, n is equals to 45. Okay, so the total number of sides of this polygon is 45 sides. Alright, next question. Find the value of x. Using the arrow rule that we were talking about, where if this is x, then this angle here is 2x. Right now we have 56, and x will be 2 times of that. Therefore 56 times 2 is equals to 112 degrees. So x is 112 degrees. Okay. For y, to find y, we will have to use your bow tie rule. Okay. So if this is, let's say, 56, then this angle here is 56. Oops. So this angle here is 56. Okay. Alright. Okay, anyway, this angle here is 56. For some reason I can't draw it on the board. But the two of these edges must touch your circumference. Look over here right now. This is 56 and this is also touching the circumference. And remember that both of them came out from the same 2 points A and B. Therefore, y is equals to the same as 56. Okay? Next question. 5 angles in a hexagon are each 115 degrees. Calculate the size of the 6th angle. Now, a hexagon has 6 sides. The total internal angle for a hexagon would be 6 minus 2 times 180 equals to 4 times 180, 720 degrees is the total internal angle. Alright, now they said that this hexagon might be a weird shape, okay, has 5 sides that are 115. So these are all 115, 115, 115, 115, and 115. You want to find this angle here. To find this angle, you need to use 720 minus off the rest of the 115s. 115, a total of 5 of them. So therefore, your 6th angle would be 720 minus 145 degrees. So the angle is 145 would be the 6th angle. And if you were to add these all up, 145 plus 115 plus 115 plus 115 plus 115 plus 115, you have gotten a total of 720 degrees. Okay. Next question. In the diagram ABC lies the circumference of a circle, center O. Work out the size of A, C, and B. Now, in these kind of questions, you must always remember that if you are coming from center O, then these two sides will always be a radius. Similarly, like the question on top, you know that these two will share the same 2 angles here. So therefore, this is also 28 degrees. Now, the total internal angle of a triangle is 180. So therefore, 180 minus 28 minus 28, you would have gotten this angle here, which is 124. Now, this is 124 degrees. If this is 124 degrees, using your arrow rule, it doesn't matter where this ends up at, as long as it went to the center and then goes to the circumference of your circle, then this will all obey your arrow rule. Sorry. Which is, if this is x, then this angle here is 2x. Okay? So if this is 112, then angle ACB would equals to half of 124, sorry. So angle ACB is equals to 124 divided by 2, which is 62 degrees. Okay, 62 degrees.